Sound check. Sound check. And we're live again here at Magarao Sports Complex. NYBL Bicol 21 under championship game between SPC Rams versus CCDI Wildcats. Mahilig na laban ito. 21 under. Magpapakbakan ang greatest of the greatest players sa 21 under division. Put off. Foul. 17, PCBI Wildcats. And the jersey number 5 on the charity stripes to complete the 3-point play. Jersey number 5. Completed. From jersey number 17 to number 6. To number 5. Three-point attempt, no good. Rebound secured by jersey number 9. At number 24, 14. Setting up the play for SBC Rams. Inside pass. That's good. Ang pang-intercept. That's jersey number 9, Dangkalan. Intercepted pass. And stepping on the line. Balik. PCBI Wildcats ang bola. We would also like to thank our major sponsors, City Hoops Trophy and Medal, Spalding, Patron QBC, Pink Amaze, Rocket Boy Sports Media, and Valiant Montessori. Dami ng ball possession and play ng PCBI Wildcats for 2. And Sakido for 3. Very good. Number 6 and number 17. Number 14. Without attempt, no good. Rebound secured by SBC Rams. Pass play. What a pick. What a pick. Nice shot by jersey number 25. That's Pareja. Anton James. Number 6. Sizing up the D. Pull up game at may foul. Now, ginawagan ng call. Jersey number 5. Drew. Jersey number 6, Formanes on the line for 2 free throws. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Rebound secured for SBC Rams. There comes now 24. Setting up the play. 14. Sizing up the D. 3-point attempt. Yes, sir. What a 3-point shot by Botin. Number 14 now. Mahanap ng pawapatahan. At dito si number 22. Ito pa mawala ang bola. Sizing up the team. Palit kay 14. 14, 3-point shot attempt. No good. Offensive rebound. Stolen. SBC Rams. There's a call. Offensive foul. Natawagan dito. Jersey number 5. Comes now jersey number 0 versus the Wildcats. Pass number 1. The 1, rising up the D. Atake and jersey number 12. No good. Rebound. SBC Rams nagmamadali. Pass to Sakido. Atake. Pinasa kay number 9. No good. good lang. SBC Rams will keep possession. Napasok na yun dito si Pareha. They will come in for 3. And down. Number 24. Colin. Jersey number 1. Fast break play. Yes, sir. That's Colin from CCDI Whitecaps. 24. Nababa ang bola. Nasa kay Dangkalan. Palit kay 24. 3-point attempt. Yes, sir. Wow, 3. So, jersey number 24. Botin. Grabe yung violation. Balik ang bola sa SBC Rams. Botin. Hanga ng bola. Pinasa kay Sakido. Oops. Intercepted. Here comes jersey number 0 for Susuday Whitecaps. For a layup. That's Kokalin Amare. Again, SBC Rams. Botti na atake sa loob. So, ganda ng drive ni Botti. Now, si Day Whitecaps hindi nagmamadali. 71, spin move. And yes, what a layup on spin move for jersey number 71. That's Duran. Here comes Dangkalan. Pass. Pareha. Spin shot. No good. Pass break chance for CCDI Wildcat. Para counted foul. Ganda ng layup dun. With jersey number 18. Kokalin. Going out for shimmy layup. And now he is on the bonus shot to complete the 3-point play. Bonus shot no good. Rebound secured by SBC Rams. Here comes Botin. Botin sizing up the D, trying to on the 3. No good. Here's Kokalin. Aatake. Floater, no good. Rebound secured. Aatake is jersey number 19. Back to Botin. Here's Sakido on the inside. No good. CCDI Whitecat nagmamadali. Nabitawan ang bola. Balik sa SBC Rams ngayon ang bola. And there's a call on the shot attempt of number 25, Pareha. 2 free throws now for Pareha. And then papasok na dito si Milano. At si Mabaza. Now Pareha on the charity strikes for 2 free throws. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Muling binababa ang bola. Setting up the play for CCDI Wildcats. The number 1, the number 6, low push. Hit out on number 6, no good. Pull up 3-point attempt. Fast break chance to number 19. Yes, sir. There's the number 19 of SBC Rams. That's a pareha. Number 6, rising up the D. No good on that attempt. Here comes now, there's the number 1. The 9-15, no good. Tabla yung tira ni nabasa doon kanina. Blind pass. Now blind din yung kampi. Now again, we would like to thank our major sponsors, City Hoops, Trophies and Medals, Spalding, Patron QBC, Printa Maze, Rocket Boy Sports Media, and Marilyn Montessori. Fast break play. Okay, that's Gocalin or TCDI Wildcats. The fast break. SBC Rams will keep their possession. Milano on the inbound. Gabriel. So, Gabriel. Pinali pa. Here comes now verse number 6. To Gocalin, verse number 0. 3-point shot attempt, no good. Offensive rebound for 13. Akio. Here comes now Milano. Setting up the play, atake. No good on that layup. Rebound secured by CCDI Wildcats. Gocalin intercepted by Milano. Formanes on the inbound. Back to Formanes. Pull up J. No good. We can now SBC Rams. Nagmamadali. For the layup. No good. Pero may foul. Foul on jersey number 13. A foul doon si Mr. MVP. Mark Sanao. Now on the charity strikes. Gabriel, first shot, no good. Last free throw attempt. Second attempt, no good again. Here comes Gocalin. 71. Stolen. Magagawin sa bola. Turnover. Nawala. Pa-control yung bola kay Mabasa. Inbound. It's now Formanes. Attempt ng 3. No good. Rebounded by SBC Rams. Here comes Gabriel. No good. Offensive rebound. Nagawan sa bola. Basket chance ngayon for CCDI Wildcat and may foul on that attempt. Na-foul doon si Milano. Now, Gokaloon and the charity strikes for 2 free throws on that possession. First shot is good. Basta tatlo ang kalamangan. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 for jersey number 0, Gokaloon. 2-point lead by SBC Rams. Gabriel, top attempt, no good. That's it. End of the first quarter. Our score on the board, 20 against 18. Lamang po ng dalawa ang SBC Rams for our 21 under championship game. At babalik po ang NYBL Bicol, ang liga ng bawat kabataang Bicolan. Balik tayo ngayon sa action ngayon dito sa NYBL Bicol 21 under division championship game between SBC Rams and CCDI Wildcats. Naman po ng dalawa ang SBC Rams. Start of the second quarter. Gokaloon to Formanes attempt from 3, no good. SBC Rams securing the rebound. Here comes Gabriel. Replacing number 15, no good. Put back, no good. Formanes to Gokaloon. Pinali pa. Hindi na pumasok. And a put back. Put back by Formanes. Napakagandang pass through play. Gabriel. Wala ang bola. It comes now Formanes. And the pick shot, no good. SBC Rams, Milano nagmamadali. Aatake. Bola. Blocked by Gokaloon. Gokaloon on free. Free. What a shot by Gokaloon. Nakatawag ng timeout dito ang SBC Rams. At dahil dyan, lamang na po ng dalawa ang CCDI Wildcats on that 3-point shot attempt brought to you by Patron QBC. Again, pasalamatan po natin ang ating major sponsors, City Trophy and Medals, Baldwin, Patron QBC, Printa Maze, Rocket Boy Sports and Media, and Marilyn Montessori. Back to the ball game. Mainit ang labanan sa Under 21 Division Championship game between CCDI Wildcats and SBC Rams. Now, SBC Rams will do the inbound. Cotin setting up the play for the Rams. pass to Dangkalan, number 9. No good on that shot. Offensive rebound, pero naagawan. Here comes jersey number 17 to jersey number 13. Kick out pass to number 3 for Manes. To jersey number 17, Marilag. Marilag, attempt on 3, no good. Number 3, on that follow-up, no good as well. Rebound secured by jersey number 15, Mabaza. Setting up the play now, Botin for SBC Rams. SBC Rams, no good. Defensive rebound for PCBI Wildcat. Match big chance. Yara follow up sa sariling tira. Jersey number 3, Gata ng CCBI Wildcats. Jersey number 6. Yes. Napagandang atake. Jersey number 6, Sakido on that play. Now, jersey number 3, Gata, attempt on 3, no good. Defensive rebound for SBC Rams. Sakido, pitira ng 3. Bang! Change favor again. Sa ating laro ngayon. Masyadong mainit ang laban. Number 6 for Manes. No good. At may steal. Another point for our CCBI Wildcats. Ganda ng rallying yun. Inside pass. 2 points for Dangkalan from the pass from Botin. Here's Gata. Pitira ulit ng 3. No good. Number 6. Atake. Kick out pass to Gata again. But out of bounds yung bola. Now, jersey number 25, Pareha. On the inbound to Botin. Nababa ang bola. Botin to 97. Sir, gandang atake noon. Batalya. Jersey number 97. Bagong pasok sa SBC Rams. Pumuntos agad. Now, income number 14 to Formanes. Back to number 14. Habla. Kasi 2 points for Habla. Mga bench players dito. Both teams pumupuntos agad. Mga kumpiyansa ng mga batang to. Here comes Botin, kick on pass. Pataya, no good on that shot attempt. Pass good chance on number 17. Block. And they retrieve the ball and number 14, play 2. That's Habla again. Back-to-back points for Habla. 29-30, lamang na ulit ng isa ang CCBI Wildcats. Botin, yes sir. Balik sa kalamangan ang SBC Rams. Formanes, attempt on 3. Alley-oop pass to jersey number 14, Habla. Napakagandang alley-oop pass na yun. Botin, attempt on 3, no good. Rebound secure for CCBI Wildcats. Fast break chance. Number 17, no good. Kabitawan ng bola ng SBC Rams. Formanes attempt on 3. No. Tangkalan. Kakalma ang bola. Binigay kay Botin. Botin sizing up the D to Batalya on 3. No good. Rebound. Pass break dito si Abla. Abla again. Abla with a 6th consecutive lane for CCDI Wildcats. Here comes number 6. Pinasa sa 71. Back to Formanes. 2 points on that pull-up game. At dahil dyan, lamang na po ng 5 ang CCDI Wildcats, 36-31. And there's a call. Tatawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 17 for reaching in. Jersey number 17, Marilag. And timeout. Timeout dito ang CCDI Wildcats. For the official score on the board, 31-36. Abante ng 5 ang CCDI Wildcats. We would like to thank our major sponsor, City Hoops Trophy and Medal, Spalding, Patron QTC, Printamains, Rocket Boy Sports Media, and Marilyn Montessori. Balik action dito sa NYBL Bicol, ang liga ng bawat kabataang Bicolano. With 3 minutes and 4 seconds remaining on the clock for our first half. Bola dito ngayon ng SBC Rams, through on the inbound. As usual, Botin will set up the play. Botin, no good on that floater. Down for that retrieve and the putback. Botin, Kabla, pitira ng 2, no good. Pasa sa inside by Drew, there's a call. Foul on that shot attempt. Patawagan dito sa jersey number 14. Habla. And 2 free throws now for Drew of SBC Rams and the Charity Stripes. Change players dito ngayon. Both teams, CCDI Wildcats and SBC Rams. Drew. No good on that first shot attempt on the free throw line. That shot. That's a 1 out of 3. Papasa 2 ang lamang ng CCDI Wildcats on that sequence. Now, number 3, attempt on 3. Jersey number 3, Bata, on that 3 points. Botin again, sizing up the D. Aatake, ang likit na. Napakagandang pasa kay jersey number 25. That's Pareha. Now, Rocaline, jersey number 1, 71. There's a ball, kick ball. PCDI Wildcats will keep their possession. Now, papasok dito si jersey number 13. Sanaw, ang ating season MVP for PCDI Wildcats. Attempt on 3 by Sanaw. No good. There's a call. Tatawagan din si jersey number 71 to run for that reach in foul. Here comes now Botin again. Drew. Pasa. Put back by Botin. At magagandang follow-up yun. Here comes jersey number 0. Gata again on 3. No good. Here comes now Drew. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Botin. Botin. Nagkapi pa sa ere. Si Botin. On that layup. Bocalin. No good. Here comes now SPC Rams. Sakido. Aatake sa gitna. No good on that shot attempt. Here comes now Bocalin. Pinasa kay Gata. 3-point attempt. No good. A circuit rebound. And a follow-up shot for the Mr. MVP, Mark Sanaw. Botin, atake, pinasa kay Dangkalan. Yes, sir. And the timeout is called for CCDI Wildcats. Our official score on the board, 42-41. Abante ng isa ang SPC Rams on that sequence. Mukhang entire game ganito ang mangyayari sa ating laro ngayon. Meron tayo na italang 10 lead changes dahil sa nagiging rally ngayon ng bola sa mainit na laban ngayon dito sa 21 under championship game. And another timeout was called here for SPC Rams. Ginamit na nila both timeouts. Both teams, wala nang timeouts here with 7 seconds on the game clock. Both teams are playing chess. Very strategic lahat ng mga galaw na binibigay ng mga coaches sa kanilang mga players. Back to the ball game with 7 seconds remaining on the game clock. Lamang na isa ang SPC Rams. Here comes now the Khalid. 5 seconds. Busy Babu. That attempt by Gata is no good. And that's it for our first half. 42-41, lamang ng isa ang SPC Rams. Nagbabalik po kami dito sa NYBL Bicol, ang liga ng bawat kabataang Bicolan. back here at Magarao Sports Complex. 21 under division championship game between SBC Rams and CCDI Wildcats, only here at NYBL Bicol, ang liga ng bawat kabataang Bicolano. We would like again to thank our sponsors, City Roots, Trophy and Medal, Spalding, Patron QBC, Quinta Maze, Rocket Ball Media Sports, and Marilyn Montessori. SBC Rams for the inbound here. Botin setting up the play for the SBC Rams. Back to Drew. Drew with jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, attempt on 3, no good. Rebounded by Sakido kasi nabitawan yung bola. Jersey number 12, nagmamadali. No good on that fast break attempt. Through to jersey number 25 to Sakido. Sakido behind the back. No good. Bola pa din. There's a confusion on the call. Now turnover dito ng SBC Rams. Here's jersey number 17, Marilag. Setting up the play to Formanes. Formanes at 1.3, no good. Tatawagan dito ng offensive foul for illegal screen. Si jersey number 22, Mirabete. Here comes now Botin setting up the play, asking for a screen. Drew, 3-point shot attempt, no good. Rebounded by jersey number 25. Yes, sir! Jersey number 25, that's Pareha. Now inside pass. Agawa ng bola. No good on that shot attempt by the MVP. Here comes now Botin. Blocked by the MVP, Formanes on the pull-up day. Yes, sir! What a shot by Formanes of CCDI Wildcats. Here comes now Drew. Pinasakay po ito ng bola. 3-point shot attempt, no good. Formanes on the other side. Nawala ang bola. Here comes now jersey number 17. The MVP, Sanaw. No good on that attempt. Balik na yan sa SBC Rams ang bola. Botin. Pricing up the D. Atang sa gitna. Sabay pick out. Sakido, 3! Yes, sir! What a 3-point shot. And a pass from Botin to Sakido. And 2-point shot. Again by Formanes on that play. 47-45. Still 3-point lead by SBC Rams. Now Botin na atake. No good. Secured by Formanes. Here comes jersey number 12 on that fast break chance. Number 12, Tagum. On that EC2. And there's a foul. Balik na yan dito sa court. Si Milano, Mabaza at Pareha for SBC Rams. 10 on the clock. Mapasa. Yes, sir. On that floater. Number 17 to jersey number 12 to Formanes. What a fake. No good. Offensive rebound. To jersey number 12. Yes, sir. Formanes with Tagum connection on that sequence. Here comes now Milano. Starting up the play for SBC round. Drew atake sa gitna, nawala yung bola. Formanes on a fast break opportunity. Pinasa again kay Tagum, no good. Rebound secured. And nakuha pa ng ABCBI Wildcats. Here comes now jersey number 17. Slide pass kay Sana sa loob. Kaso nawala yung papasahan. Now turnover. Abalik sa loob si Gabriel for SBC Rams. Here comes now Milano setting up the play. Milano asking for a screen. Jersey number 15, no good. Tangkalan. Pinako sa loob kay Gabriel, wala. Napakoy palira ang bola. Now, Milano on that 3-point shot attempt, no good. Stepping on the line. And CCDI Wildcats will keep their possession. Now Montero papasok na yung dito for SBC Rams. 3-point shot attempt for Formanes, no good. Rebounded by Milano. Milano nagmamadali. Alley-oop pass to Gabriel, no good. Here comes now 19. No good again for SBC Rams. And there's a foul. Tatawagan ng foul dito si jersey number 22, Gabriel, for reaching in. Bokalin again. Setting up the play for the CCBI Wildcats. Stolen. Nagmamadali si Gabriel. Gabriel nagpeke. On that fake pump fake shot. On that fast break opportunity. Bokalin to Formanes. Formanes pull up there, no good. And they will keep their possession as the SBC Rams turn out the ball. And a basket count and an opportunity for a 3-point play. Jersey number 71 to run the chart is right to complete the 3-point play. That shot is no good. Rebound was secured for SBC Rams. Here comes now Milano. To Gabriel. Gabriel to Milano. Milano, naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Binigay kay jersey number 72, kaso wala. Sayang ang tira yun ni Montero. Here comes now Formanes. Sa Bokalin. Bokalin. Wala yung bola. Milano, alley-oop pass to Gabriel. No good. And there's a foul on that putback. Sana ni Montero. Now Montero be awarded 2 shots. First shot is no good for Montero. $51 deadlock ang score po natin ngayon. That second shot is no good for Montero. Here comes now Bocalin. Nakagawang bola and a fast break opportunity here. Milano for 2 points. There's a foul for Milano. And there's a call for Milano. Now, the CBI Wildcats setting up their play. Here comes jersey number 14 for 3, no good. Habla, nakuha ang bola. Ito na si MVP, Supermano. So, wala 2 points for Duran. But not for Manes, it's Duran. Jersey number 71. Milano. Attempt on 3, no good. Basket down for jersey number 14 sa Peter. That is down here. Now sa Peter to complete the 3-point play. Nangkalan, babalik dito para kay Mabasa. Super. No good on that shot. Here comes now Habla. Susanaw. There's a call there. Mapapawal doon si Sanaw. Habla on the inbound to Bocalin. Screen kay Sanaw, ataka sa gitna. Attempt by jersey number 3, Gata is no good. There's a foul again committed by jersey number 71. Jersey number 71, Duran. And CCDI Wildcats is already on the penalty situation. Nangkalan, take 2 free throws. Penalty shots for Dangkalan. First shot is no good. Kuha pa rin ng SBC Rank dito ang bola. Here comes now Gabriel on that two step. Ooh. Body's down. Here comes now Bocalin. Bugata. Both teams on penalty situation already here. Person number 2, Gata, will take penalty shots. First shot, no good. Among ang dalawa, ang SPC Rams. Second shot is good. Kay person number 2, Gata. Here comes now Milano. Nababa ang bola. Setting up the play. Rising up the twos. Nawala ang bola. Kaagaw. At CCDI Wildcats. Bocalin on the zero step. No good. Last touch ng SPC Rams. Ganda sana ng move ni Bocalin doon. Wala pumasok yung tira. Here comes now Habla on the inbound. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 10. And there's a foul. Tawag na dito si jersey number 72 of SPC Rams. Now jersey number 10 of CCDI Wildcats, Rodriguez. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Rebound here. Pinababa na ang bola ni Milano. Milano, kick out pass. Gabriel. Milano with 5 on the clock, no good. Bocalin. Pinasa kay Habla. Habla on that. No good. Number 10 again. Very good. Fast break chance for SPC Rams. Kaso nabitawan yung bola. Now, Tangkalan. 5 on the clock. No good. Here comes Habla. Number 3. No good on that buzzer beater attempt. And that's it for our third quarter. 55 deadlock. Magandang laban to between SPC Rams and CCDI Wildcats. Magbabalik ang NYBL Bicol for our final and last quarter. Ang liga ng bawat kabataang Bicolano. Balik aksyon dito sa NYBL Bicol, ang liga ng bawat kabataang Bicolano. 21 under Division Championship game versus lawan ng kumpunan ng SPC Rams and CCDI Wildcats. Deadlock 2 points on by CCDI Wildcats. Ganda ng pull-up nun. Here's the number 22, Mirabete. Nakaski, nakagawa ng bola. And there's a foul. Foul will be called for Mirabete. Strikes now through. Utangkalan. And there's a foul again. Now, it will be ball to our end. Sanaw. Utangkalan on the line. On that foul shots. First shot, no good. Second attempt here to Utangkalan. No good again. Mababa ang percentage ng free throws ng SBC Rams. Kung nila ma-convert into points yung mga fouls given to them by CCDI Wildcats. Air ball on that shot by Formanes on 3. Turnover. Ngayon ang bola nasa SBC Rams. 14 setting up the play. Pinasa kay Drew. Pass on the low post. Kapalik sana sa kanya kaso na-intercept yung bola. Now naaga ulit nila. Another interception. Here comes now CCDI Wildcats on the play up. No good. Securing the rebound. Here comes now Mabasa. And the ball was intercepted on that play by jersey number 17, Marilag of CCDI Wildcats. Now Botin. There's a call on both players for both teams. Ulit yung laban. Now, double foul is being awarded to jersey number 22 of CCDI Mirabete and jersey number 9 Dangkalan of SBC Rams. On that sequence, Botin and Rayuntown Bumabasa. Mabasa, pinag-ulit kay Botin. Botin kick out pass to Mabasa on that 3. And there's a foul on that 3-point shot attempt by Mabasa. A chance here to tie the lead forward up by 1 for SBC Rams. Kung may pasok na ang tatlong free throws. Here comes the first shot for Mabasa. First shot is good. Mabasa isa ang kalamangan ng CCDI Wildcats. Second shot is good. Tie game. Deadlock on 57. Ay isa pang free throw dito si Mabasa to change the lead para umabante ang SBC Rams ng isa. Yes, 3 for 3 for Mabasa on the 3-point free throws. Abante ng isa ngayon ang SBC Rams. Defense na sigaw ng kapunan ng SBC Rams. Now, CCDI Wildcats on the inbound. Formanes back to jersey number 7. Airball shot on that 3 by Marilag. Turnover. Bola ngayon ng SBC Rams. Mabasa. Attempt on 3 again. No good. Fast break chance for CCDI Wildcats. 2 points. Nakasama pang foul for jersey number 22, Mirabete. And a chance for a 3-point play. Jersey number 22 on the charity stripe. For the bonus free throw, a chance. No good to convert the 3-point play. Sayang. Ayun. For the SBC Rams, 14. Setting up the play, sizing up the D. Nakagaw ni Paul Manes. Play up, nabitawan yung bola. Number 22 again, Mirabete for 2 points on that fast break attempt. Here comes now Drew. Drew atake. Aga ulit ang bola. Nakuha nila ulit. Block. Block by the MVP. Danaw Mark. What a D. What a defensive stop mula sa ating season MVP. SPC Rams on the inbound. Nakuha na ngayon ng Nagsiday Wildcats again. And also, umawi ng stop yung SPC Rams dito. 3-point shot attempt by Botti. No good. Here comes now a rally for both teams. 3-point shot attempt. Let's go! Number 25. Pareha for 3. What a clutch shot for Pareha to tie up the game. Nakuha na naman nila ulit ang bola. Botti, no fast break chance. Yes, sir. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang SBC Rams. No good on that shot. Sanaw, attempt on 3. Ball! Abante ng dalawa. Abante ng isa. Ang CCDI Wildcats. Another lead change here at Maganao Sports Complex. Dito lang yan sa NYBL Bicol. Another stop, but an offensive rebound, and there's a call and a turnover. Traveling violation ang tatawag dito for mabasa. Mapupunta sa CCDI Wildcats ang bola. 1-point lead ng CCDI Wildcats. Here comes now Gocalin to Formanes for 3. No good. Offensive rebound blocked by Mabasa. What a defense for Mabasa. Reading that play. Pinabangan talaga yung tirang yun. Now, intercepted pass on the inbound. Here comes Sakido for an easy play. Points for Sakido on that fast break chance. Lamang na ulit ang SBC Rams ng isa. And the traveling violation was called here for Formanes. Turnover possession. Bola ngayon ng SBC Rams. Botin sizing up the team. Balik kay Botin ng bola. 14 on the board. Tira ng 3. No good. Rebounded, secured by CCDI Wildcats. Here comes now Formanes. Formanes Nabitawan ang bola. Bakido. Bakido attempt on 3. No good. Rebounded by jersey number 12. Cocalito Formanes. Pull-up J. No good. Balik sa SPC Rams ang bola. Here comes Mabasa. Atake sa gitna. No good. When that foul was called. Natawagan dito sa Quito at missing foul on that sequence. 65-64 lamang ng isa ang SBC Rams. Now, Okalin atake sa gitna for the floater shot, no good. Rebound secured by Drew ng SBC Rams. Drew, pull-up pay, no good. Nakuha ni Mr. MVP yung bola. Inasa kay Cocalin. Cocalin, nabutawan ang bola. At may tatawagan dito ng foul. Foul. Jersey number 13, Sanaw. Penalty situation na po dito ang CCDI Wildcat. And timeout will be called here by CCDI. With 3 minutes and 12 seconds on the game clock. SBC Rams lamang pa din ang isa. With the official score 65-64. Again, we would like to thank our major sponsors, City Hoops Trophy and Medal, Spalding, Patron QBC, Printamaze, Rocket Boy Sports Media, and Berenice Montessori. Balik action ngayon dito sa Magarao Sports Complex para sa ating NYPL Bicol 21 Under Division Championship game between SPC Rams and CCDI Wildcats. Again, we would like to thank our major sponsors, City Hoops Trophy and Medal, Spalding, Patron QBC, Printamaze, Rocket Boy Sports Media, and Berenice Montessori. Penalty shots here for Pareha. First shot is good for Pareha. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 for Pareha. Cocalin. Pass to jersey number 12 to jersey number 3. Bata, 10-3, no good. Drew, binababa ang bola here. Here comes now Drew, atake. Mabasa. Bola. Kaso may contact dun. Sa play na yun. Shooting foul. Shooting foul. Tawag kanina. Pamasa. on the charity stripes for 2 shots. Third shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound secured by CCBI Wildcats. Kokali nagmamadali. Jersey number 12. Kick out pass. Now back to Kokalin. On a blocking foul. Will be called here for Botin. Number 2 Kokalin on the inbound. Pull-up J. Block by Drew. Rebound secured by Mabasa. Here comes now Botin, setting up the play here for SPC Rams. Botin, hinahanap si Drew. Drew, umupo pa sa ere kaso wala. Now rebound secured here by CCBI Wildcats. Here comes now jersey number 22, Mirabete. Kokalin. Kokalin to jersey number 3. No good on the 3-point attempt by Kata. Kakalma ngayon ng SPC Rams. Lamang sila ng tatlo. 67-64 on our scoreboard. 14 seconds to shoot. Babasa on that attack. Babasa. Ay taas ng kalamangan sa 5 on that sequence. Timeout was called here for CCBI Wildcats. Now, a 5-point lead for SPC Rams. Mas naging efficient ngayon ang SPC Rams when it comes to defense and converting their points on the offensive end. Napakagandang laban. We would like again to thank our major sponsors, Beauty Hoops, Trophy and Medal, Paldi, Patron 50C, Brenta Mains, Rocket Boy Sports Media, and Marilyn Montessori. Back to the ball game here at Magarao Sports Complex. Bola ngayon ng CCBI Wildcats. Jersey number 17, mula sa Kaitanaw. Mirabete. Mirabete ang atake. Apa sa tatlo ang lamang ng SPC Rams on that play by CCBI Wildcats. Here comes now Drew. Drew aatake. Kaso, natawagan ng traveling violation on that play. Napagandang laban. Mainit simula first quarter hanggang fourth quarter, and now with only 1 minute remaining on the board. There's number 1 up on 3, no good. Rebound that's secured by jersey number 35 of the SPC Rams, Pareha. Kaagaw. Fast break attempt. And there's a call. There's a call right there. Pangkatawagan dito ng goaltending si Mabasa. Mukhang tatawagan talaga dito ng goaltending si Mabasa on that play. On tapping the board. Basket counts. Basket count for CCDI Wildcats. Isa na lamang ng SPC Rams. Goaltending nga ang tawag din kay Mabasa on that play kanina. Now here comes through. Pinasa kay Mabasa. Mabasa sizing up the D. Nakagawa ni MVP. Sanao on that attempt. And block. And a follow-up. On a follow-up play for Panic. Bringing up the CCDI Wildcats up by 1. On that play. With 18.6 remaining on the clock. Official score on the board, 70-69. Timeout was called. Lamang na ulit ng isa ang CCDI Wildcat on that fast break sequence. At nagtatagulo na ang crowd dito sa Magaraw Sports Complex dahil sa init ng laban at ganda ng laban na binibigay sa atin ngayon ng NYBL Bicol 21 under championship game and between SPC Rams and CCDI Wildcats. Back to the ball game tayo ngayon dito. Mainit talaga ang laban mula first quarter hanggang fourth quarter. Bola ngayon ng SPC Rams. Botin, binababa ang bola. Taking up the D, starting up the play for the Rams. 9 seconds on the board. Kakuda for 3. On a clutch 3 for Sapido from SPC Rams. Abante ng dalawa. Abante ng dalawa ang SPC Rams. Abante ng dalawa ang SPC Rams. 72-70. Time out here ng CCDI Wildcats. Patinding laban. Napakagandang play. Ang napakagandang clutch 3. Si jersey number 6, Sakido. Now, there's only 6.9 remaining seconds on our last quarter. Lamang ng dalawa ang SPC Rams. Mainit ang laban. At nagkakagulo na nga po ang crowd dito ng CCDI sa Magaraw Sports Complex. Kailangan nila ng clutch 3 or a 2-point attempt for an overtime or to win this game. Both teams are playing chess right now. Very strategic. Lahat ng galaw kalkulado. Lahat ng oras kalkulado. Stepping on the line and a turnover ang naumit dito ng CCDI Wildcats. Ngayon bola ng SPC Rams and tumawag na sila ng foul with 3.5 seconds remaining on the clock. Penalty shots for Drew ng SBC Rams. First shot is good. Abante ng tatlo ang kalamangan ng SBC Rams. May isa pang tira to make it a 2-ball possession. Wala. And that's it. Panalo ang SPC Rams for your 21 under division. Napakagandang lawan with a score on the board 73-70. Abangan natin kung sino ang magiging finals MVP natin.
next rounds will receive a trophy and medals from the Seniors Trophies and Medals. Players, please step back on the center court. And your final MVP from rounds 20.